PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning delivers dependable solutions for commercial HVAC, improving airflow, enhancing efficiency, reducing disruptions, and supporting healthier indoor environments for businesses seeking reliable performance today. Keep your facility operating at peak performance with PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. Our commercial HVAC services help lower energy waste, improve comfort, and maintain cleaner air quality. Act now to prevent costly issues and maximize system reliability year-round. Contact us today to schedule your free consultation. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC service near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What are the signs that a commercial HVAC system needs repair? Common signs include weak airflow, uneven temperatures, unusual noises, rising energy costs, unpleasant odors, frequent cycling, and reduced indoor comfort. Prompt repairs help prevent larger issues and costly system downtime. How can I improve the efficiency of my commercial HVAC system? Improve efficiency through regular maintenance, replacing filters, cleaning ductwork, sealing leaks, optimizing thermostat settings, and scheduling professional inspections. These steps enhance airflow, reduce energy consumption, and support reliable HVAC performance. What is the service area for your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania location? Our commercial HVAC service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Swarthmore, Media, Glen Riddle, Brookhaven, Upland, Parkside, Village Green, Lima, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Glenolden, Folcroft, Leicester, Morton, Wallingford, Moylan, and Elwyn, Pennsylvania. Where is your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC service office located? We are located at 630 Fairview Road, number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Swarthmore.